Hi, the question says in figure you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. Now, what we know is surface area is 2 pi RH, right? We'll be covering this portion for this lampshade. So first of all, let's write what is known given that height is height of frame is 30 centimeter, diameter is 20 centimeter, so radius will be 10 centimeter. Further, margin is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter in the at the top and at the bottom. So height of cloth required will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 top and bottom, so total 35 centimeter is the height of cloth which we are seeking. And what has to be the radius of it and all that we have already got from the radius of the frame. So further, area of required cloth is same as surface area of cylinder. Surface area is 2 pi r h, but in place of h, the h of cylinder and h which we are using is different. Do remember that. All right. Why? Because we wanted to spare 2.5 centimeter to fold the cloth. So finally we get surface area is 2200 centimeter square. Hence, covering the lampshade required cloth 2200 centimeter square. Thank you.